Hey guys, so today I'm bringing y'all my recipe for my lamb ragout. This recipe is super easy to make and it makes for a super duper tender lamb. So here's the ingredients, so make sure you pause the video and catch those ingredients. So now over here I am just gonna brown my lamb and I have my minced garlic going in. I did OD a little bit on the garlic. That's just me though, you ain't got to add as much garlic. Okay. Now keep stirring. You can have your heat on high over here as long as you stay next to, because we're trying to brown it, not burn it, honey. Alright, and so now I'm going to go ahead and add my salt. I'm sprinkling some salt in there. You want to watch out, don't put too much now. And stir, and now I'm ready to add my black pepper. So I like a lot of pepper. That's just what I do, but yeah, black pepper definitely. And now I'm going to also add my soy sauce. I'm just going to add a teaspoonful of soy sauce. And we're going to keep stirring in there and keep it on a nice medium high heat at this point, and just keep stirring, and you can let it rest for a little bit and also stir again. Now I'm going to add my onions, and once your onions are in there, we're ready to add our red peppers, and next I'm going to add my chopped tomato. And over here, the liquid is forming on the bottom, so we're just going to stir for a little bit, and now we're going to let this actually simmer down for about 15 minutes. Once those 15 minutes are up, I'm going to go ahead and add some rice vinegar. You can add white vinegar too if you like. It's really up to you. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes and my turnips in my pot. And we're going to stir this up just for a little bit, just to make sure everything is nice and incorporated. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some water, and we're cover this up for about 20 minutes. And when we come back, it's going to look like this. It is still going. The meat is really getting more and more tender. You can see that bone is separating from the meat, so this is exactly what we want. And now I'm just adding my carrots in there, and you're gonna mix this up. And also, as this cooks down, it's gonna sort of thicken up a little bit more, and all those flavors will marry together. Here's the last thing that I'm going to add. I'm just adding some coriander powder, and you can just stir that up in there. Make sure you taste this and okay the salt and the pepper content. I was just fine with mine, but this is the time to add anything else that you want to. And we're gonna let these carrots soften up a little bit. I don't like mushy vegetables, but I like them to be sort of cooked a little bit where I can still bite into it without them melting in my mouth. Okay, so yeah, and now you're gonna finish off with some chopped parsley, and it is perfect, you guys. This recipe is delicious to make on a nice rainy day. I think it is so comforting, and the meat is just like so tender, it literally falls off the bones. And you can actually make this without the just the beef stew cuts, and and not have to even worry about bones. But I just love how it looks when you're trying to grab it from the bone. It just slips right through your fingers. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope to see y'all next time. Thank you. Bye.